My name is Shivani Rajkabal, and today I'll be talking about me and my teammate Arpita's portfolio project for our orientation hackathon Sankalp portfolio. So what this is that it should fulfill the following GitHub tasks, portfolio tasks, and Flask tasks, which we fulfilled all of it to our knowledge. So first, I'd like to start off with showing the GitHub, because so what Arpita did was she created um an issue for each of the portfolio tasks, such as adding a photo, and about ourselves section, our previous and current work experience, our hobbies, current slash previous education, and a map, like the cool location slash countries. What I did was I created the pull requests for these, for the same tasks as and when I downloaded it, except I did combine the about yourself and the photo into one branch because I put it in the same page on the Flask website. And I when I downloaded the Flask app, I pulled that as a made that a pull request too. So for each portfolio task, we also created a branch, including the main one, which has all the Python links and the base.html. What base.html is for us is that it was supposed to be the base for having the Flask features and the menu or nav bar, which would display the pages, other pages in the website. So yeah, going back to the branches in GitHub. So for each branch, for example, about ourselves, we put the stuff specific in that in that page, like the about yourself HTML page, and then our photos of ourselves, which was also in that page. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of this. Then we also I'd like to show a bit of the website before my 5 minutes runs out. So in the about ourselves section, I put me and Arpita's thing in the same page, cause I thought it would be fine. So first I put me, about me, my description and my image, and then Arpita's same thing right below with her image. Then in the map, um I wasn't sure how to do one map with listing all the places we've been, so I decided to just list the place and then an interactive map for each place. And because me and Arpita mostly have similar places that we visited, maybe just a few that she's visited that I haven't been, and a few that I visited that she hasn't been, I decided to combine our places. So that's what this the map page is. And for the hobbies, because it had its own separate task about it being in its own page, even though we did make a separate page for each of the tasks, we did add the images. Here I have my hobbies listed, and right below it an image. Arpita only had three hobbies, so she had a couple of images for each hobby that either one works, I think. Then for our education, um I listed my education and major. I listed Arpita's. Yeah. So this is pretty much how it works. And then I would like to point out, we did download Flask into our computers in order to code the Python website. And I did that using the command prompt and the Python tree terminal. So yeah. And this is all that it has and so for this particular one portfolio website, because that's our project, this is how I downloaded all